Alright, so now we are going to look on how to do taking off for the link. Okay, the link. Okay, link. So like I mentioned earlier, if referring to the drawing, so the link will be arranged at this length. Okay, here to here. So the detailing of the link is R650. Okay, so let's look how link, the dimension, the link, how it look like. Right, so I try to illustrate once again. Okay, like I mentioned, if you do cross section over here, section AA, so this is your section 1 to 5. The dimension of your beam 1 to 5, 375. 375. Okay, so this is your main bar, this is your main bar, top, this is your bottom main bar, and this is your link. So please focus on the dimension, right? And hook. Okay, so for hook, if you are please refer to the table, the constant that you will use. If let's say the hook is type R, the constant would be 12D, 12 diameter. And if let's say the hook type is Y or H or T, which is high tensile steel, T or Y or H, so you will take the hook is 15D. Okay, so one is 12D, another one is 12D, because I mentioned hook pair. Pair means two. So each 12D, for example, if let's say the type is R and each length is 15, if the types of hook is H or T or Y, which is high tensile steel, right? So now the idea is to calculate this purple line. Okay, this purple line, this one, including the hook, right? Let us look how it's the taking off. Okay, once again, taking off sheet. Okay, taking off sheet for column. So now we are going to do the taking off reinforcement link. Okay, so the link detailing is R650. Okay, so if you want to illustrate all this illustration, you buat kat sini pun better lah. Supposedly you buat kat situ lah. Okay, so first step, if let's say you don't have idea on how to start, first thing first, you need to calculate the length of one. length of one link. Okay, so we need to see that the purple that I indicate purple color tadi ni, this one. Okay, you akan kira panjang besi tersebut. So the length is, first thing first, this one. This sided, one sided here. Yeah. I try to draw once again over here so you can see. Okay, so sorry. So this is your main bar, and once again this is your link with the hook over here. Okay, alright. So we know that the dimension, the width of your concrete is 0.125. I convert into meter, and the thickness or the height is 0.375. Okay, this part is your cover. Okay, cover. This is your cover or sinom. Okay, and the cover is 0.025 meter cover. This is your cover. So now, how can you get the length of this line, this length of this part, this from here to here? Okay, so how can you calculate? You know the length end to end is 0.125. You know the value of your cover. The cover is over here, one, another one is over here. So can you get this length? Of course, okay. 0.125 multiply with 2 cover. So your cover, minus with your 2 cover. Minus 2 cover, which is 0.025. Okay, 2 multiply with your cover value, you will get 0.05. 0.05. So 0.125 minus 0.05, you will get 0.075. Okay, so the length of this link, part of it is 0.07. So same goes with this part. Okay, so now how about this part? The vertical one. Okay, same. You know that on top you have the cover, bottom you have the cover. Okay, so you can get the length of this part. 0.375 minus 2 cover. So you will get the value 0.325. Okay, so now can you get the total length of the link? I mean total of one length. I mean length of one link. Length of one link. Length of one link. Okay, so it's equivalent to, I shift this one here, 0.25, 0.05, which is 2 cover. Okay, so the idea is to calculate length of one link. Length of one link. Okay, one link is this one. Okay, the purple line. Okay, so what can you do? 0.075 is 0.075. You multiply with 2. So you will get, multiply with 2 because this, the length have 2. Here one, this one, another one is on the other side. So you multiply 0.075 multiply with 2, 0.15. Okay, 0.15. So another one is this one, 0.325 multiply with 2. Why multiply with 2? Same, this side 1, this another side is 1. So that's why 2. So 0.325 multiply with 2, we get 0.65. So you total up 0.65 plus 0.15, you will get 0.8. 0.8 for this parameter. But not complete yet because you need to consider the hook. Okay, the hook. So what you need to do is plus with 2 hook. 2 hook. So in this case your length is R, so your constant is 12. 12D is the diameter of your length, 0.006. So you will get the value of your hook is 12 times 2 times 0.006, you will get 0.144. 0.144. Thus your length of one link is 0.944. Okay, 0.944. So once again, not complete yet. The second part is, okay, I need to erase. Okay, hopefully you understand how we get this value. Length of one steel 0.944. This is your hook. Again, where you get this value? By referring to the constant. Why you choose 12? Because the types of steel is R. Okay, so I will erase this one because I want to continue with the next one, how we calculate the total length of link. Okay, next we want to know the total length. Okay, first we calculate length of one steel. Next, the main idea is you want to calculate the total length. One link. Okay, we refer to link. Okay, but How can we calculate the total length if we don't have the numbers of link? So, numbers of link. In this case, the numbers of link is not given. Okay? If not given, you need to calculate. If not given, you need to calculate numbers of link. Okay, by using formula. Formula dia adalah, formula is length required link divide by spacing, okay, plus 1. Okay, plus 1. This is if not given, the case for not given. Okay, I give you details if the numbers of link is given. Okay, for example, 8R6 125. In this case, yes, given the numbers of your link is 8. So if this is given, step number 2 is not required. Okay, so now we focus on how to calculate numbers of link. Okay, so numbers of link. Okay, length required link. So this is the length required link. Like I mentioned earlier, the link be arranged in this part, okay, in your beam. So this is your length required link. So length required link is center to center. Once again, the initial value is 2.6. Please refer to your drawing. 2.6. Okay, minus 2.6 is center to center. Okay, once again, center to center, 2.6, 2.6. So center to center, 2.6 meter. So length required link only this part. So you know what to do. 2.6 minus 2 half column. Okay, divided by the spacing. Spacing is 150. So 0.15. Once again, you need convert to meter. So plus 1. So numbers of link required in this beam is plus 1. Okay. Arithmetically, the answer is 17.5. But you need to take extra for safety purposes, which is 18. So numbers of link which need to be arranged in this area, okay, in this length of beam is 18. So now we can proceed with the next stage, with is total length of link. So the total length What is the total length of link is required, okay, to be arranged in all 6 numbers of beam. So once again, in column A, how many numbers of structure? 6. Okay, the next one, you need to write the numbers of the link which you have calculated just now. Okay, so how many link in one beam? 18. So the length of each link is 0.944, like we calculate just now. Thus, the total length of your link is, once again, column A multiply with column B, so you will get, okay, the quantity. 6 times 18 times 0.944, you will get 101 101.952. Okay, so just go for 2 decimal point. Okay, so 0.195 meter. Don't forget to write your punya unit and also the specification of your link, which is R6. Please practice you to write like this, because it will ease you in order for you to prepare the bill of quantity later on. Okay, so get the total length of link. So any question that you want to ask, you can ask later. Next, we will proceed with how to do taking off for FOMO. Thank you.